What's up, music fans? It's Black History Month, and we're going back in time to learn about the birth of hip hop. And we're talking about DJ Kool Herc, a real hip hop hero. Hip hop started in New York in the 1970s. DJ Kool Herc was a DJ, which means he played music at parties. But he didn't just play the whole song. He noticed that people loved to dance when the music had a certain beat, called the break. So DJ Kool Herc started playing the break over and over again. This is how hip hop was born. He also started rapping over the music. He was the first person to do this. Hip hop isn't just about music, it's a whole culture. It includes DJing, rapping, breakdancing, and graffiti art. They all go together like a team. Hip-hop has become super popular all over the world. It's a way for people to express themselves and tell their stories. DJ Kool Herc started something amazing. Want to learn more about hip-hop? Ask your parents to help you find some old-school hip-hop music. You can even find videos of breakdancing and learn some cool moves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more musical adventures.